say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me?
Hi, welcome to Ethnic Nature. Today I'm making a DIY face mask with green clay, honey and licorice. I'm going to tell you in detail what licorice is all about. Licorice is a herb that is used to help with pigmentation and providing skin with its natural glow. Just remember, you need to use the mask consistently over a period of time to get the best results. In the ingredients, we've got honey and we also have green clay. Green clay is known to detox your skin, remove impurities and open up your skin pores to breathe a lot better. Honey and its beauty, it is known as an anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent which removes all of those inflammations, the redness and the darkness of your skin, leaving you with an amazing glow. Okay, so firstly, we're going to put in our clay and then we're going to put in the licorice. Now, as I was saying to you, licorice is a herb that is used in India. It's been used in India for centuries. It is used for health and beauty. Licorice is an antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and it helps to heal various skin conditions. So if you've got a problem with redness and inflammation, why not give licorice a try? And I would also say to you guys, amazingly, a lot of the skin brightening and lightening herbal skincare products that you'll find in your health stores and in your beauty stores, they all contain licorice. So, before you go and grab another skin lightening product from the market, why don't you try and use licorice? Why don't you try and use licorice as a face mask and see the difference that it's going to make on your skin? So after putting all the ingredients into the bowl, including the honey, now I'm going to mix everything together until I get to the consistency that I like. Let me tell you as well, guys, applying this mask to your face, it will leave you with a very nice cooling effect. So the mask is ready to be used. I've reached the consistency that I wanted. Everything is mixed together. Look at it. This is exactly what I wanted it to look like. So, this is the face mask. It's now ready for application. And now, with a freshly washed face, I'm ready to start applying the mask to my skin. So just start applying the mask all over your face and you'll start feeling a nice cooling effect. and let all the goodness of the mask seep into your skin for maximum effectiveness. So, you might even have another question for me. Can this mask be used on any skin type? And the answer is yes. This mask is good for any skin type. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and leave this mask on your face for at least 15 to 20 minutes or to an hour. So it depends on how long you like leaving your face mask on your skin. But for me personally, I love leaving my masks on my skin for at least 30 minutes to an hour. During application of the mask, I also wanted to let you guys know, just be careful that it doesn't go around your eyes. So be careful as you apply the mask that you focus on the right areas, but ensure that you do not go around your eyes. Your eyes are very sensitive and they're very easily irritated. Ensure you cover all the areas of your face with mask. So when I apply my masks, I ensure that I not only cover my face, but I also cover my neck as well. This is to ensure that the glow will be on your face and on your neck. So when I apply my mask, I always ensure that not only do I cover my face, but I also cover my neck as well. So if you want to get maximum benefits from this mask, please try and use this mask at least once every week, and then make sure that you use raw unprocessed product for the mask to work effectively. Okay, so I'll let you guys watch as I finish applying the mask, and then I'll show you the results at the end.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you.
Okay, so we are done. My face is fully covered, the face and the neck fully covered with the DIY mask. I'm going to leave this mask on my face for a few minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me applying my mask. So these are the results. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me doing my DIY face mask using licorice, green clay and honey. If you would like to see more of how I do my face masks, please like, comment, subscribe at the bottom, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!